Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Slayman. I'm a general surgery resident, and in today's video, we're gonna go through sending those LOR requests.
Alrighty, let's add some documents. Let's start with the USMLE release authorization. Just insert your USMLE ID and click yes to authorize them to release the transcripts to the different programs. Keep in mind that you will need to pay a one-time payment fee for the release, and you pay that in the end when you pay for the programs that you're applying to. Next is the MSPE and medical school transcript. This will be uploaded by your medical school in their own portal. The photo we've uploaded together in the first video, the link will be shown, and the ECFMG status report is basically your ECFMG certification. I will release a video that explains what that is and how to produce it. Say you haven't sat step 2 yet and you wanted to update that on your application. Here's how you do it and then assign it to your programs. Here's the letters of recommendation tab. Go to add new. You need to insert the author name, their title, and which specialty this letter will be assigned to. So I applied for general surgery, and that's what I write there. You then pick the position of the letter writer, so PD, department chair, those are considered stronger, and then you waive the right to view your letter of recommendation. From what I heard, it is considered more authentic when you do that, so they take it more seriously. The main thing in a letter of recommendation is that it is personalized to you, which shows your strength of character, and it makes the person reading the letter of recommendation more likely to hire you or interview you. Now I'm just confirming that I want to upload the letter. As you can see, here's confirmation of the upload. Then I go to download the letter request or email the letter request. It's easier to email the letter request and just insert your letter writer's email. It has an automatic request message, as you can see, and then it previews what the email will look like. You just hit send and that goes automatically to their email address. Please inform your letter writers to upload this as soon as they possibly can. It takes a long time to process this application, and this screen here is to show you confirmation for upload means that you can now send the request to your letter writer. The yellow bar that says processing means that they've already submitted it and it will take some time to process. Last year, it took me 10 days to process my PD's letter. Finally, just want to show you guys the message center. Here is where you get all the confirmations that your LORs have been uploaded. This is also sent to your email. It's just nice because it's all compacted and just ERAS messages on this platform. It also gives you tips and tricks and sends you different emails regarding the process. If your letter writer has requested some guidelines, I will insert the link below, and this is what it looks like.
If this helped you out, smash the like button, hit the notifications, and send me a comment.